there have been more than 125,000 overdose deaths from painkillers. That figure, 125,000, is greater than the number of Americans that died fighting in Vietnam, Iraq, Afghanistan combined. In fact, it's more than 2 times as much as the number of people who died in those conflicts combined. But when you hear that figure, you should keep in mind that it's a very large undercount. It doesn't include the many overdose deaths that never get recorded properly. It doesn't include the thousands of suicides by people who feel trapped by the disease of addiction. And it doesn't include the thousands of related deaths other than suicides that are caused by painkillers and opioids. When we think about 125,000, we should also recognize that that's just the overdose deaths, that figure also doesn't include the millions of people who are now struggling with the disease of opioid addiction, a disease which doesn't just affect the individual who has it. It's a disease that affects an entire family, an entire community. This is a public health emergency, yet the response from the federal government has been tragically ineffective. Between pain patients and people who are addicted and people who use non-medically, there's tremendous overlap. Millions of pain patients are being harmed by aggressive opioid prescribing. During the AIDS epidemic, there was a slogan, "Silence equals death." We're not going to be silent. We're fed up. And if it's necessary, we'll be back here next year with 10 times as many people. Thank you.